Welcome back. Here we go. Book 17. We're going to knock out stage 64. And this one, it's always fun when you get a bigger piece in these builds. I don't think this is going to be an extensive kit though. So it just has that wow factor getting this section of the nacelle support. Let me get this cut out of this bag without cutting myself maybe. Man, I need to sharpen this sucker. Hopefully everyone's doing good out there. YouTube land. This is going to be pretty raw. Please post up comments. I'll probably say this on each one of these kits as I move forward, but I'm going to try to do like comment shout outs, people that are interacting with me. I don't know if I'll read the comments out, but I'm trying to do some shout outs at the beginning of each new box. So, because I kind of film these in groups. You know, maybe not all on the same day, but I kind of film them out and then start uploading them for one box. Separate the kits out. That makes sense. Metal, skeletal structure. Man, you gotta have some table space, dedicated table space for this giant monster of a kit. 64. Okay, so first up, it wants us to take this piece and orient it like this. So we have these little square notcha things there. This, I believe this would be the aft end. Ooh yeah. Alright, this side, as I'm looking at it here, apparently, okay, yeah, and it's kind of has two notches here and there. It's different than this side. So this one's flat. They want us to take, you get two of these little insert pieces, and we're going to insert those. They have a little kind of a dinghy that sticks out. You're going to stick that right in the hole. Kind of pops into place like that. Oops. One on each side. This kind of tells me they designed this, I think, I don't know. Maybe I won't speculate, but Eaglemoss was having to update their designs as they move forward. I'm thinking that's going to help us with the right and left nacelle. Maybe, I don't know. I'm just making stuff up, so I need to stop. That part's done. Set that to the side. We do have a phaser array. This one black. And got a couple of CP screws we're going to be using. We need to retrieve our deck panel from the last kit. And CP screws, P for plastic, so we don't need to dip in the oil. We're going to grab two of these out so we can attach our phaser array. Just like so. And snug these screws into place. You don't want to over tighten them because, again, plastic. Run them to contact, snug. Get the second one. Feed it in there. Oh, John Solar, are you out there? Okay. Get this one in place. Make sure that's not loose, and that is good. And guess what? Can you believe that? 64 is done. Okay. Thumbnail time. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and commenting. See you on the next one. Boom.